Welcome back to the Houghton Lake Public Library's series on using Windows 10. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the taskbar. The taskbar is this dark area in the bottom of your screen, right here, where my cursor is. The taskbar is an area where you can access shortcuts, as well as see which programs are currently active on your computer and switch between them. First, let's take a look at using some of these icons as shortcuts. So you can see there's some icons here, and notice that they don't have a blue underline underneath them like these two do. So you'll see at the very bottom of these two, there's a blue underline. These ones over here do not have that. And that's because these are shortcuts, not active programs, which means that we can click on any one of these and they'll open the respective program. So for example, if we click on the icon for Google Chrome here, we'll open up Google Chrome. Similarly, if we click on the icon here for the folder, this is going to take us to the File Explorer. You'll notice that after I click those to open it up, so again, I'll open Google Chrome, that the icon now has sort of this gray background and it has the blue underline underneath it. The blue underline indicates that it's an open program, while the gray around it indicates that it's the active program. And we'll talk about that a little more when we talk about switching between them. If you have a shortcut here and you don't want it here anymore, you can right-click on it. So let's right-click on this email icon. And there's an option for unpin from the taskbar. I'm going to left-click that. And it's disappeared. Again, I'll do this for the Windows Store icon. I'll right-click on it. And then left-click on unpin from taskbar. And that's how you would remove shortcuts from your taskbar. If you'd like to add a shortcut to your taskbar, you can do so by finding the icon for the program that you want to add. So let's say Microsoft Word. I'm going to right-click it, and you'll see there's a bunch of options here. We're interested in this one, Pin to Taskbar. I'm going to click that, and you'll see that the Microsoft Word now has a shortcut on the taskbar. And if I left-click and drag, I can organize this to put it somewhere else. And then again, if I want to remove it, I right-click and then left-click Unpin from Taskbar. The next thing you can use the taskbar for is to see which programs are open and switch between them, like we mentioned earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Google Chrome icon to open up Google Chrome. And you can see that Google Chrome has a blue underline indicating that it's an open active program, and it has this gray background indicating that it is the current active program. I'm going to go ahead and click on the File Explorer here. And you can see now the gray has shifted to the File Explorer and is no longer on the Google Chrome. However, both have the blue underline. So again, the blue underline is indicating that this program is open, but it may not be the topmost or active program, while the gray indicates that it's the active program. If you want to switch between active programs, and let's go ahead and make this full screen by clicking this middle button here. So now you'll notice that we can't see Google Chrome at all. It's been obstructed behind the view here. If we go ahead and look down at the bottom, you can see Google Chrome's still here, and it still has that little blue line indicating that the program's open. It's just in the background. So if I left-click on the Chrome icon here, it'll take us back to the Open Chrome tab. And note that this didn't reopen the program. It simply brought us back to where we were. I can indicate this better if I open up a website. So let's just go to YouTube. And so now I'm going to click the File Explorer over here to bring the File Explorer back to the front. And now I'm going to click on the Google Chrome icon to go back to Google Chrome. and you'll see Google Chrome is still on YouTube. We're not opening a new version of Google Chrome. We're simply bringing back the version we'd already opened back to the front of the screen. And so you can see, if you look down at the bottom here, if you look closely, we actually have 4 programs open right now. The File Explorer, Google Chrome, and then I'm doing some Windows updates in the background here. And then we also have this software here, which is what's recording the video. And these are the primary things that you'll use the taskbar for. You'll use it for setting up shortcuts so that you have convenient ways to access programs. And you'll use it for seeing what's open and switching between it. And that's really all the important functions of the taskbar. So that'll do it for this video on Windows 10 discussing the taskbar. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll discuss the Start menu. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up or subscribing to be notified for future content. Thanks for watching and have a great day.